Hey guys, this is A for iOS Hacker, and today we are going to take a look at the Casekoo Magic Stand Cases for iPhone 15 Pro Max. The cases I have in front of me are Casekoo's Shock cases with built-in kickstands. So without any further ado, let's take them out of their packaging and see how they look. Inside the package you get the case that is placed inside a paper. Let's put that on side. You also get these really nice stickers from Casekoo. They are really cute. Let's take the other one out as well. Both of these cases are of different colors. One is blue titanium and the other one is black. Let's take the case outside of the paper and see how it looks. And there it is. This one is the blue titanium Casekoo case. And I think it would look really nice with my blue titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max, as you can see right next to it. Let's take the other one out as well. This one is in black color and I think this looks really nice and simple, which I prefer over colored cases. Here's a look at both colors side by side. I think I like the black one better, but blue one suits my iPhone more. What do you think? Which color do you prefer? Do let me know in the comments below. Here's the side look of the case. You also get Casekoo branding on the side, which looks quite nice and minimal. On the other side, we get soft touch buttons for volume and action button. We will test them out after putting the case on the iPhone and see how soft they are. Now let's put the case on the iPhone and see how it looks in real life. I'm going to put the blue one on my iPhone as it matches the color of the device. And there it is, the final look. I think the blue color of this case looks really nice and I am very impressed by the overall look and feel of the case. It feels nice and soft in hand thanks to its matte finish. And I think it also provides a nice grip in hand so you don't end up dropping your iPhone accidentally. Let's put the black case on the iPhone and see how it looks. As you can see, the installation of the case is very simple. And there you go, the black case is on. I really like the black case and especially the side profile of the case is really nice. I think the blue cameras from the cutout also look pretty nice with this black case and adds to the beauty. With this case you also get this hidden kickstand that you can use to watch movies, make video calls and do whatever you like by putting your phone conveniently on the table like this. A great thing about this kickstand is it's quite versatile and gives you multiple angles to work with. The kickstand angles range from 40 degrees to 120 degrees, giving you a huge room to play with. You can also place your device in both landscape and vertical angles, so if you want to watch TikTok or Instagram reels, then you can put your iPhone in portrait orientation, and if you're watching YouTube videos or any other kind of videos, then you can place your iPhone in landscape position like this. The Magic Stand is also great for Zoom meetings and FaceTime video calls. So if you're talking to your friends and family, you can simply put your iPhone on the table and talk conveniently. The Magic Stand also adds MagSafe support to this case, so you can use your MagSafe accessories with your iPhone without any troubles. It provides a very strong connection with MagSafe devices thanks to the built-in N52 magnets. After using the Casekoo Magic Stand series case for iPhone 15 Pro Max, I can safely say that this is one of the best iPhone 15 Pro Max cases out there. The design of this case, the matte feel of the materials in hand, and most importantly the Magic Stand make this a must-have case for any iPhone user out there. I'm especially a fan of the minimalistic design and protection this case provides to the device thanks to the airbag cushions on its side. If you are someone who thinks that these cases are too simple, then you can also check out the Casekoo Magic Stand series Cloud Cush version that comes in multiple color options, as you can see here. You can check them out on Casekoo's official website. So guys, this was our look at the Casekoo Magic Stand case for iPhone 15 Pro Max. Do let us know what you think about this case. You can buy this Casekoo Magic Stand case for iPhone 15 Pro Max for $32.99 from Casekoo's official website. There's a discount coupon in the comment section as well. Hope you liked this video. Do like and subscribe for more.